Hey guys, and welcome to Aussie Reviews. Today I'm checking out the Oknife Duron folding pocket knife. This is how it comes in the box here, guys. You know, a lot of people go, oh, is this Olight? Yes, it is. So Olight, you know, have their own knives that they call Oknife, just to clear up any confusion. Okay, so it comes with a carry case here. That's just a zip-up carry case. We've got a coin. So this is just a little like memorabilia coin. So that's just a nice addition. Cleaning cloth, the manual. Looking at the knife a little bit closer, it's very compact and it's very lightweight. Weighs 90 grams or 3.17 ounces. The blade length on it is 89 millimeters or 3.5 inches. Blade thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.12 of an inch. And the overall length is 203 millimeters or 8 inches. The handle thickness on this is 13.3 millimeters or 0.52 of an inch. As you can see, it's you know, fairly easy to open with the thumb studs there. You've got to give it a little bit of a push to break the initial seal on it. You know, it's not spring assisted or anything like that, guys. You know, obviously you can loosen it a little bit here so that you could get it open that little bit easier. But yeah, it does take a little bit of effort. As you can see, it's not spring assisted or anything like that, which would make it illegal in some of the Australian states. Now, the coating on the actual blade here, it's PVD coated Nitro V stainless steel. As you can see, you've got the drop point there, and it's hardened to 59 Rockwell. It's got a ceramic ball bearing washers in it, so you know it does open fairly smoothly. Like I do quite like that. It's got an aluminium handle, and it's designed for everyday cutting, slicing, and piercing. You know, with that drop point and the thickness of that blade. Now, Nitro V isn't a you know, super steel. It is a stainless steel, you know, that offers good corrosion resistance and it's easy to sharpen. But it's not, you know, your real high-end super steels, but still a good quality steel overall. So, guys, taking that into consideration, the price of this is $154.95 at the time of doing this review. So, you know, I think, yeah, not too bad for what it is. But let's just see how it cuts here. Now, I know by cutting things, you know, it's like, okay, well, we get a little bit of an idea of how it feels, you know, in the hand and what my thoughts are of it. Now, you know, I do like high-end knives, so obviously I'll probably be a little bit biased there. But as you can see, she's reasonably sharp out of the box. Yeah, no, that's very sharp. Just at the right angle there. So yeah, it's just always nice when you get a nice sharp knife and just, you know, run the test of just cutting through paper like so. Yeah, really nice. As I say, it's really lightweight, so this sort of thing would, you know, be great, you know, just to take camping or fishing with you, that sort of thing. So let's just see how it goes, like just cutting through hose. Yeah, see, that's getting through that really easy. I don't want to chop too much into my old faithful gun mat here either. But yeah, that is just getting through that nice and easy. So it's got a nice sharp edge on it, that's for sure. About like just cutting some finer parts off a bit of a stick here. Yeah, that's nice. You can get some pretty good purchase on the back here as well to, you know, to be able to just push through that timber. So, you know, obviously when you do this out in the field, you know, this is for getting a bit of kindle to start that fire with and so forth. There's so many uses for a good quality knife, guys. Like I've always got one with me here on the farm because they're just so useful, you know, and most people, you know, just love a nice compact folding knife that they can, you know, have with them fishing or camping or just, you know, generally out in the field when they're at work, that sort of, you know, that sort of thing. So guys, there's not much more I can say about the knife. Yeah, it's quite nice and I think well priced, you know, for the materials that are in it. So we'll leave the review at that and we'll catch you on the next one.